Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you for asking me. We are going to talk about part of speech. There are six parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition. Take a look. Here they are. They are very important in English, but now we will talk about pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of noun. You may take a look for this example. Chris is a driver. He drives a bus. So he in here as a pronoun that takes place for Chris. So now, what is a subject pronoun? Do you still remember? Yes, the subject pronoun does the action. They are used as subject in a sentence. Here is the example. I as the first person singular. I live in a big city. I here as the subject pronoun. You here as the second person singular. You are watching this video. You in here as the second person plural. You are all studying English. Third person singular. There are he, it, she. He, if you are talking about a boy and only one. She, if you are talking about a girl and only one. It can replace for place, things, and animals. Take a look for this example. He is a strong man. Look at only one man. She has three children, only one mother. Cairo is in Egypt. It's a nice place to visit. It's a place. Now third person plural, they. We can replace many people, places, animals, or things that more than one to become they. For example, the children speak many languages. They are very clever. They in here belong for humans, the children. Look at this picture. These cars are expensive. They were made in Germany. They in here belong to things, cars. Next, first person plural. I sing, you sing, we replace it, we sing. We, other people, and I. Now we are going to talk about object pronoun. What is this? Receiver of an action or objective pronoun often comes after an action verb in the predicate of a sentence and can be found after the verb or after words like between, beside, for, from, to, and with. For example, in this sentence, the pronoun she replaces Miranda. However, you cannot just use the pronoun she every time you are talking about Miranda. Take a look this example. Sam stole money from Miranda. We cross Miranda, change it with she. That might sound wrong to you, is it? In the first sentence, Miranda is the one doing the action, bragging. This means she is the subject of the sentence and she is a pronoun that can replace subject. In the second sentence, Sam is doing an action to Miranda, stealing. This makes her the object of the sentence. The word she can't replace the object of a sentence. That's why it sounds wrong in this example. Most of the time, you will know if a pronoun sounds right or wrong. For example, you can probably tell that the sentence is correct. The last example, Sam stole money from her. Her is the right pronoun to replace Miranda because she's female and the object of the sentence. Now take a look in another example. Dave is my supervisor at work. I saw him today. I in here as the subject pronoun do of the action, saw as the action verb, him as the object pronoun. Now let's move on to possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership. The possessive form of a noun is written with an apostrophe, but the possessive forms of I, you, he, she, it, we, and they never have an apostrophe. I will show you this chart. In these possessive pronouns, you and it do change forms. For think B, the answer is variative, so this is according to you. Now we are going to think B. A pronoun is in parentheses after each incomplete sentence below. Change the form of the pronoun to make it fit in the sentence. Look at number 1. We thank. We as the subject, thank as the verb. So he as the subject, we have to replace it to become him. Number 2. Brian and I as the subject, told as the verb. So the object of this sentence is them. Do the same things for number 3, 4, and 5. Now we are going to 156. Think A. Circle all the pronouns in the following sentence. Number 1. She sent a postcard to Logan and her. So, where are the pronouns? She and her. We have to circle she and her. Number 2. I gave her the best looking apple. So we have to circle the pronoun I and her. Number 3. Will you go fishing with me? We have to circle pronoun you, me. Number 4. I will share the games with him. We have to circle pronoun I, him. Number 5. He told us the score of the baseball game. We have to circle he, us. Number 6. They divided the money for wrecking the yacht between them. We have to circle they, them. Number 7. They told me the good news about John's salvation. We have to circle they, me. Number 8. We will pick them up for church. We have to circle we and them. Number 9. Sarah and I saw it on the table. We have to circle I, it. Number 10. Did you tell them that we could not go to it? We have to circle you, them, we, and it. Now we are going to think C. Number 1. Blah 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 and our friends sailed to America. So we are looking for the subject. Which one is the subject between we and us? Of course the subject is we. So you have to remember the chart of subject pronoun and object pronoun. Number 2. The winter's hardships killed many blah 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 pilgrims. We are looking for object. So the answer is us. Number 3. But the summer brought blah 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 survivors new hope. So we are looking for object. So the answer is us. Number 4. Blah 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 boys help gather a good harvest in the fall. We are looking for the subject. So the subject is we. Number 5. Blah 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 the governor declared a day of Thanksgiving in 16 to 23. So we are looking for the subject and the answer is he. Number 6. We and blah 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 had much to be thankful for. We are looking for the subject. The subject is they. Number 7. With a smile, John gave Rachel and blah 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 some turkey. The answer is her. Number 8. Daniel and I liked the Phoenician that the Indians brought. The answer is I. Number 9. Mother allowed Daniel and blah 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 to help cook it. The answer is me. Number 10. Blah 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 and the other ladies had cooked a delicious meal. The answer is yes, C, because we are looking for the subject. Have a nice day. I miss you all. Thank you. See you in Zoom.